Hey guys, today it's Colin Templeton, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to build an exploit with the Axon source. Now, building an exploit with the Axon source is a little bit difficult. You need to first put in the code, set up pipes, all that. Luckily, I have the code pre-made for you guys. First thing what you're going to start off doing is click on File and click on New, go to Project, and then select Visual C#, and then select Windows Forms app. Click here and name the Windows Forms app what you want your exploit to be called. I'm just going to name mine Explample. It's kind of an exploit example that anybody. Hey. So it should say creating project and then your exploit name that you chose. Now, this is the fun part, building the UI. What you're going to need is a rich text box, so let's just grab one right there. And place it where you want it. So, well, first of all, resize your form to how you want it. So let me delete that. So I want my form, I want my exploit to be kind of small-ish. I don't know, like that. That's pretty good. We're gonna drag in a rich text box here and align it where we want it. After you have it where you want it, you're gonna need to see this. Click on your top bar, on your bar at the top. See this text thing right here? You're going to need to rename it to what you want your exploit name to be. So, in this case, it's going to be Explample. If that's it, I don't even remember. Yeah, Explample. Yeah, okay, Explample. So basically what you're going to need is you're going to need buttons. I think you're going to need about 3 of them. Actually, no, maybe 4. 4 because there's a couple of them. I think it's 4. I'm not sure though. I'm going to put my attach button down here. And then we're going to have execute or open, and be sure you're not changing the name, be sure you're changing the text. Execute, open, and clear. Now, let's resize them to how we want them. Okay, this takes a lot of, my OCD is killing me right now. It's like, I can't get these aligned properly. Okay, I got them. Good. There we go. We got them aligned. So, I actually think, looking back at them, I kind of feel like I should put my attach button right here. Just here in the middle. There. Maybe put it like that. There you go. That's perfect. So now, once we got this done, we have to go to my text file or my thing that I made for you guys. So basically, here's the functions injector and named pipes. What we need to do is we need to create a class. What a class is, you have to go in here and see this program CS. That's a class. We have to create classes. So just click here on Explample or your name, your exploit name. And then click down here in this white spot, click Add Class, go back to the thing, and select this, no spaces or anything, and copy it, and then go back to your Visual Studio, and then erase all this, erase this besides the CS, and then paste it there. And then click on Class, and then click Add. So now we have a functions class. Just get rid of all this. And we can now go to this paste bin right here. So basically what we can do now is so we go to raw, you copy all this, copy it, go back to our Visual Studio, and paste it all in this functions thing. Paste it all in here. Oh, paste it. So there you go. Have that. Oh, and rename this Axon Simple UI to your thing. So Explample. And then click that. You need to click it again and then select this thing over here, this thing, and rename that. There you go. You got it. So there, now you need to click this, you need to go over to here. You scroll down on the functions in here. Rename this to what your name is. Instead of Axon, you want to do that. So, Explample, right there. And I could just close out of that. And then, should I save changes to the following items? Select yes. And if we go back in there, by double clicking it, it'll be there. Now don't fix any of these errors yet. I know there might be a lot of errors, but trust me, this will all come together. So you can go back in it now. Just go back in it, and you'll see it's actually axon.dll. Change that to what your DLL name is going to be. So this is for future reference. So I recommend changing it to your exploit name. So just do explample.dll. There you go. And you don't have to change this, only the one in between these little quotations. Now you can officially close it and click yes. There you go. We got that first class set up. Now we gotta go back to our Axon guide, and we need to copy this injector class. Go back into here, and once again select this. Press add class. Delete everything and type .cs if there's no CS at the end. And select class and click add. You should see injector.cs now. You should remove all this and copy this paste bin link, or just highlight it and click go to. And you click raw here. Just copy everything here. Copy it. Go here and paste. Once again, do the same thing to here. So, and then click it again. You'll see a little thing over here. Click the little arrow and click rename. There you go. Now that doesn't say Axon Simple UI. You can. I think this is good. I think you don't need to do anything here. So click exit. Double click it to make sure that it's saved. Okay, it's saved. And just press X. Now what we need to do is make the next class. So named pipes is our last class. Copy that. Put it right. Select this. Add class. Just take out this class 1. Paste name pipes in there. Make sure CS at the end. Select class and click add. Now it says name pipes. Double click on that. Remove all this. I think you get the drill by now. Click go to raw. Select all this. Go back in here. Change Axon Symbol to UI to Explample. Or again, your exploit name. Change this to your exploit name. Click on it. Select this little arrow. Click rename. And bam! That's the first part. All the classes done. So check back on it to make sure it's saved. Okay, it's saved. Good. Explample. Alright, so we have our UI and all our classes. What do we do next? Well, let's look on the list. Buttons and script box. Set the text box's name. This is name, not text, to script box. Just copy what's inside of these little quotations. Don't copy these quotations, just copy what's inside of it. So then you can go here. Click on the just click on the script box. Instead of text, you'll scroll down a bit and look for name in parentheses. Just remove this and paste script box in there. Then we do the same for the other ones. So inject, which inject is also attach. Name, instead of button 1, we're going to do inject. Execute button. Instead of button 2, we're going to do execute button. Just copy exactly what's in here. Set one of the button's names. Instead of our, wait, is this clear? Yeah, clear. Clear button. And then our open button. This. Okay, so now that we have that done, let's go into our code. So for the inject button, we're just need to copy this code left to right. No be sure there's like no spaces when you copy it. The first letter, the last character, the first character, the last character. So left to right. Go back in here. Is this inject? Yes. Double click on attach, and then just it'll automatically be here. Just paste it in. See, that should turn blue if you did everything right so far. You'll see this, just don't worry about it. Next, go in the thing and see the execute button. Copy this. Again, left to right. Make sure there's no spaces after it. There can be spaces here, but just no spaces after it. So, go back to your form1.cs design. I'm pretty sure this was the execute button, yes. Execute button. Double click on that. Paste that code in here. It should look like this. Oh, whoops. Alright, and here you need to hold down shift and press something that should look like this, but press it, and there, you're good. That's how you fix that problem. Now what you need to do is you need to go back into the Axon guide. Oh wait, that's not all of it. That's why it didn't work. Wow. That's... Alright, so let's undo that real quick. Let's undo that. Okay. Now let's paste that in there. That should work. You shouldn't... Now, you do the same thing. Paste that in there. That error should be away. You see over here where it says exploit.dll name, don't mess with that because that's not what it means. It's in your functions. So go here in functions, example instead of in example.dll. Or this should say axon.dll. Just rename it to your exploit. I think I already went over that. Now you have this functions inject, and I think the last one is the open button. So let's copy all this, go back into our designer, see our open button function, paste that in there, and we should be done. File here should have an error. Just go click on it. You'll see this over here. Click that arrow. Click using system IO. And there you go. So that's how you make an Axon exploit. And we can now comes the last steps, which is the easiest thing. Click on build here and click build solution. Now copy this, not the one and then this little thing, but just copy where the C starts and go all the way. Oh wait, it said one failed. Okay, let's try rebuilding. Oh, here, I found the problem. Fix that. There you go. Now we can build solution. Now, if it says build one succeeded, then you did it right. Don't copy this one example, all this, your exploit name right here. Don't copy that or this arrow. Just copy where the C starts and go all the way to debug and then the slash after debug. Don't go to your exploit name.exe. Just copy that. Go into a thing on your thing that looks like this. Gonna need to see this where this quick access is. Click that. Go here and paste it and press enter. And you'll see your exploit. You won't see an Axon. Make a folder on your desktop. Okay. And then you'll see you won't see Axon DLL. I put this in. It's right here. I will leave a link to that in the description. But anyway, don't drag any of this exe.config or anything. That could allow people to edit it. So right click on this, click copy, and paste. And you can close out of this debug. Here you can go in here, and here's your follow exploit. Wait, couldn't find example. Wait. Oh, it says axon.dll. Be sure to rename Axon to the example, to the exploit name, or the DLL name you set in functions, I think. Injector maybe. Yeah, it was in functions. So you set the DLL name to this. So if you don't know how, you can just highlight it, not the .dll part. Just click copy, get out of there, go into your folder, rename Axon, and then backspace all of it, and then paste that in there and press enter. And now close out of this because we gotta restart it. And then go ahead and find robloxplayer.exe. So it found explample.dll. I'll do myself trying to execute something with it, like Topkick or something. But yeah. See, open works. You can open, where is it? Look, you can open Topkick. It doesn't just run Topkick, it's just one of my favorite ones. There you go, clear works. Or it should, I don't know why it doesn't. But all you gotta do is set this text box, the script box, to 1. Probably because not to 1, you just set it to nothing, so like, just put these at the end without anything in them. So that's basically it, guys. There's nothing else to it. So, if you enjoyed that video, you can resize it. I don't really like that, so I'm not gonna do that, but you can keep from resizing it by changing the, Anyway, I'll do a thing of this, okay? I'll show a thing of me executing it, a script. Now be wary, if you do this too often, this could get you banned, because there's a ban wave going on Roblox right now. But let's go in Lumber Tycoon. I'm probably gonna get IP banned from this, guys, but hey, at least you guys helped it. I didn't implement an anti-ban system in it, so at least this helps you guys. Now, go on weirdevs.com or .net, I forget what it is, and you can find a ban bypass to do it, but I think they patched that. I don't know. So let's try out the exploit. Oh. This is already being hacked. Well, okay, let's try it out anyway. Attach. It's attached now. Just click execute. And it should load. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. It loaded. It's just my Roblox is freezing and my video cam is not working. Oh, that's weird. See you guys.